The Adani Group is in the news again. India's top court has now announced a probe into the matter. There has been a fiasco ever since Hindenburg published its explosive research. The Adani Group's stock plummeted. Gautam Adani was the world's third richest person. Now he is not even among the top 20. But did you wonder, how does this saga really affect you? What does it mean for you and me? What the Supreme Court says, how does this trickle down to your kitchen as an Indian? What if I told you that your whole life savings could be in danger? Answer this. Do you have an LIC insurance? You most probably do. It is India's largest insurer and it suffered a great deal in this entire Adani mess. Our next report telling you more.
Since the republication of the Hindenburg research report, LIC stock have plunged nearly 17%. It had made significant investments in the Adani Group. In Adani Enterprises, it holds 4.2% of the shares. In Adani Ports, it holds 9.1%. In Adani Total Gas, it has a stake of 5.9%. Let's look at some more figures. The report was published on January 24th. LIC held around $9.8 billion worth of Adani stocks. Now its value is down to $3.9 billion. LIC suffered a loss of over $4.8 billion between 24th and 27th January. Its exposure to Adani stocks has now turned negative. At the end of February, its stocks hit a record low of $6.8. Now, all these numbers are fine, but what is the outcome? What does it spell for you and I? The company's stock plummeting is always a worrying sign. LIC is India's largest insurer. More than 250 million investors rely on LIC. Almost every middle-class Indian turns to the company for life insurances, house financing, post-retirement savings. In simple words, they invest their life savings through this corporation. LIC further invests that money into assets such as stocks. The returns from these assets are paid back to investors. You see, an investor's input in LIC's products is linked to the equity market. That's why where LIC invests is crucial for your returns. And it was heavily investing in the Adani Group. So where does the whole fiasco leave you? Is your hard-earned money in danger? It very well could be. LIC's poor investment decisions are not new. The company has long generated poor returns for its investors. The Hindenburg report accuses the Adani Group of fraud and stock manipulation. It reported that the group's 7 listed firms were overvalued by more than 85%. The share price of Adani Total Gas has fallen by 81%, that of Adani Transmission by 74%, Adani Enterprises by nearly 62%, and Adani Ports by more than 26%. If the allegations against the Adani Group are correct, it could leave millions of Indians in a loss and debt. Why? Because of LIC's poor decisions. Park your savings in companies like LIC and it puts that money at risk.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.